Scotland reels from snow bomb and Storm Dylan is on the way. The Met Office recorded 4 inches of falling in just a few hours at Bishopton in Renfrewshire, near Glasgow Airport. For 2 hours, all flights in and out were cancelled as teams battled to clear the runway and taxi areas of snow. A total of 22 flights were cancelled. 2 incoming flights were diverted to Prestwick and 2 to Edinburgh. The country will have little time to recover before the arrival of Storm Dylan tomorrow morning, bringing gusts of wind of up to 80 miles per hour and a danger to life from flying debris. Although Edinburgh lies in the path of the storm, organisers of the capital's Hogmanay celebrations insist the party will go ahead as planned. The grim Met Office warning for the Central Belt states, some very strong winds are possible across Northern Ireland and then southern Scotland on New Year's Eve. There is a small chance of damage to buildings, such as tiles blown from roofs, with the potential for injuries and danger to life from flying debris. Large waves and beach material being thrown onto coastal areas could also be a hazard. There is a small chance of longer journey times or cancellations as road, rail, air and ferry services are affected, with the chance that some roads and bridges could close. The yellow Be Aware warning begins just after midnight and lasts until 3 p.m. tomorrow. In Inverclyde, one of the worst affected areas yesterday, McGill's buses suspended all services as the roads were deemed too dangerous. Police dealt with many accidents. The A714 was closed just north of Newton Stewart in Dumfries and Galloway due to the volume of snow. There was a 4-vehicle collision on the A711 near Beeswing, Dumfriesshire. There was a crash on the M8 at Junction 29 which blocked 2 lanes, and traffic was halted on the Erskine Bridge for a while due to another accident. A lorry jackknifed on the A737 between Lochwinnock and Brookfield in Renfrewshire. Another accident closed one lane of the M9 westbound after Junction 3 Bergmuir. ScotRail reported disruption caused by a broken-down train at Ruthergillen, affecting the Glasgow to Shotts and Lanark to Glasgow Central services. A signalling fault at Craigendoran interrupted services between Helensburgh and Glasgow and Edinburgh. Winds gusting to 35 knots affected some of Colmac's West Coast services. Another band of rain from midnight last night into this morning could also fall as snow on higher ground,